there! In today's video, I'll show you how to manage the home screen on TP-Link app. Let's get started. So first thing that you are going to see when you open the TP-Link app is this page. Currently we're on the tab which is named Favorites, and here you'll be able to see the devices that you are checking the most. Next tab that we got here is named All Devices, and here will be a list with all of the devices that you have connected to this phone. And next thing that we got here is rooms. As you can see, we got here living room, office, and kitchen, bedroom, and we can add even more. And this is especially useful if you have really a lot of devices and you can easily sort them by location. So next thing that we got here is My Home tab. By clicking on it, we can go to the home settings, in which you can add some rooms, you can see the total devices, you can change the home name, and that's it. Now, next thing that we got here is the notifications. Here you can see motions. As you can see, I got them a lot. And also here you would be able to see if someone shared access with you or just some important information. Next thing that we got here is this plus, by clicking on which we can see these two buttons, which is add device and add group of devices. Next thing that we are going to see, this is the lower part of this app. Here we can find cameras, vacuums, and smart home, in which you can read a lot of interesting function and even use them on your devices. And last thing that we can see here is Me tab, in which you'll be able to manage your account and also see some more settings, for example playback and download, camera memory, firmware update, device sharing, and even more. And this is it. Now you know how to manage the homepage in the TP-Link app. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.